decided to do a little research here. So we dug in today, you guys, really dug in to nerd out for you. First of all, this is less nerdly than what's coming.
Okay.
But by the way, these are the areas you should be concerned with as far as weather phenomenon go and how dangerous they are. Since 1950, hail has killed 2 people in New Mexico. Storm wind has killed 3. So that's not too bad. In fact, tornadoes, 4 over this long a period, really not the huge risk. Winter weather, winter storms, whether it be accidents or things of that nature, 12. And then as you get up into flooding, 66. And the #1 killer is lightning in New Mexico. No surprise, given how much of it we get. 88 people since 1950 have died. So please be careful in those types of situations. Obviously, we have a lot of it, too, to concern ourselves. So if we had a lot of storms lately, we do still have flood warnings with the Animas River in Farmington and Durango. Otherwise, we are seeing some of the showers back off here. But what's going on with the flooding? You remember back to the winter, the snowpack over the San Juans, especially the San Juans of southwestern Colorado, was not very good. In fact, it was 51% below average in the San Juans. So initially, especially leading into spring, that would lead you to think we would not be looking at any sort of flooding issues here. However, there was a major league change in April and May. It got very cold and very snowy over the San Juans, and we started to pack in a tremendous amount of snow. And packing in that late spring snow has set part of the stage for the flooding issues we're having now. In fact, on May 25th, late in the spring, we had 18.3 inches of liquid equivalent water sitting as snow in the mountains here. To give you an idea, that's one of the highest numbers we've seen all year. Even the middle of winter, we didn't see numbers like that. Well, now, just a couple weeks later, we have about 3 inches left in the mountains, meaning we've melted off 15 inches of liquid water here that's gone down the Animas River. Not only that, we also have an inch of additional rain which has fallen over the past 24 hours, along with a ton of hail. So that is what has led to the video which you've been seeing, the river swelling in Durango and at flood stage in both Durango and Farmington. So that's some of what goes into the flooding issues we're seeing there. 72 degrees in the metro area, winds out of the north at 14 miles an hour. Across the north, temperatures 50s and 60s. Down to the south, temps for the most part 70s and 80s. Looking at satellite and radar, I know it's hard to make out, but there's a little weather disturbance right here that is sliding through northern New Mexico and southern Colorado, continues to touch off storms out in eastern Colorado. That cruises through tonight. And then we sort of get a bunch of little guys on the way that are going to impact our weather. Some of them weather disturbances, some of them cold fronts. So the first one going through right now, that kicks through, dies down tonight. Then we drive a cold front into the east side of the state and push some more moisture in for tomorrow. And then over the weekend, we draw another trough in over the state and into the southwest. So that's going to keep the showers going. None of these features are huge. None of them by themselves are going to make a massive difference. But when you bring them all in together, we've got a shot at keeping the storms going in places like Durango, both Saturday and Sunday. So the flooding issues, still going to be a concern in this area, at least through the weekend. Across the northwest, some scattered showers possible for tomorrow. More cloud cover in Farmington by Saturday, and the shot at renewed showers. 79 in Camado, 93 in TRC, 93 in Deming. Less action across the southern tier of the state over the next couple of days. Same deal around the southeast, where we're going to see a chance at a shower or two. It will ramp up late in the weekend and into next week. Look at the northeast, though. This is one of those areas, thanks to the cold front, thanks to the additional moisture, and thanks to the trough action that we're going to see through the weekend, the chance at showers rolls on. Northern Mountain's going to stay fairly wet in and out of the storms here through the weekend and into the beginning of next week. East Mountains, we will see some clouds roll in by later on in the afternoon, and the chance at showers ramps up through the weekend. Metro area, looking at partly cloudy skies, a little more cloud cover late in the afternoon, and that chance at an afternoon shower is there. And here in the metro area, we're going to see plenty of cloud cover, I think, Saturday into Sunday. We're going to have a chance at grabbing a shower or two as well. Most of the action will be over the high terrain.
Okay. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you.